Would you like to ride in my beautiful balloon?
20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Tower clear.
Okay, we got a roll program. Neil Armstrong reporting their roll picture program with the Apollo 11 on proper heading. Altitude's 2 miles. Oh, you're good at 1 minute. Downrange 1 mile, altitude 3 miles an hour. Velocity 2,195 feet per second.
Heathrow's Terminal 5. I would have a personal welcome to you all, and welcome back Executive Club members and One World frequent flyers. If there is absolutely anything we can do to make our journey more comfortable this evening, please let one of us know. Recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on. If you are seated in our first or Club World cabin this evening, please do take care that your personal electronic devices do not get lost beneath the seat. If it does, please ask a member of my team, but do not move the seat. Thank you. Very shortly, the cabin crew will be passing through the cabin United Kingdom landing cards. If the United Kingdom is your final destination, do not hold a European passport. You will need to complete a landing card. If you are in direct transit on another international flight leaving Heathrow tomorrow, there is no reason for you to complete one. For those customers who are transferring through London and connecting onto a flight to
taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could.
Let me tell you, gentlemen, please do sit back and relax, enjoy the hospitality of British Airways.
Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like
off on your horns?
let me go.
Don't know who to fly with? Then why don't you go A up and away with Yorkshire Airlines? Our Air Dorises will always give you the warmest of welcomes. Our flight crew are the very best.
This is Captain Boycott speaking. During the flight, we'll be flying at whatever height I like for as long as I bloody like, because I'm the captain, right?
Our facilities are second to none. And your safety is our concern.
Right, you lot. Shut up, belt up, and if you can't see the bloody exit,
You must be bloody blind.
There's top in-flight entertainment. Whether you're seated comfortably in working class,
Yes, sir.
Look at that luxury.
or if you have more brass than sense, you can fly Alan Bennett class. International cuisine is of the highest standard.
Yorkshire Airlines, departing Leeds International Airstrip, touching down 20 minutes later at Leeds International Airstrip. Because if it's outside Yorkshire, it's not worth bloody visiting.
I'll be back again, leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again, leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, I hate to go.
Stole. Altitude 5,200 feet. Manual attitude control is good.
Roger, copy.
Altitude 4,200.
Houston, you're a go for landing, over.
Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet.
Copy.
Alarm. 1201.
1201. Roger, 1201 alarm. Where go? Same type. Where go?
2,000 feet. 2,000 feet. Into the ag. 47 degrees.
Roger.
47 degrees.
Eagle looking great. Your go.
Altitude 1,600. 1,400 feet. Still looking very good.
Roger, 1202. We copy it.
35 degrees. 35 degrees. 750. Coming down to 23. 700 feet, 21 down. 33 degrees. 100 feet down at 19. 540 feet down at 30. Down at 15. Okay, 400 feet down at 9. Gate forward. 1050 feet down at 4. 33 and a half down. pegged on horizontal velocity. 300 feet down 3.5. 47 forward. Put up. On 1.5 down. 70. Got the shadow out there. 50 down at 2.5. 19 forward. Altitude, velocity, light. 3.5 down. 220 feet. 13 forward. 11 forward, coming down nicely. 200 feet. 4.5 down. 5.5 down. 160 feet. 6.5 down. 5.5 down. 9 forward. Good. 120 feet. 100 feet. 3.5 down. 9 forward. 5%. 185. Okay, 75 feet. Car's looking good. Down a half. 6 forward. 60 seconds. Lights on. 6. Down 2.5. Forward. Forward. That's 40 feet down 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Great shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward. Drifting to the right a little. Down a half. 30 seconds. Forward. Good. Okay. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. ACA at a descent. Mode control both auto, descent engine command override off. Engine arm off. 413 is in.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're looking good here.